the whole top part of the mountain is literally blown apart. We're like the oldest mountains in the world. The elements have been working on these mountains for millions of years. It's a very ancient landscape and very rugged. And what happens is the tops of the mountains come off and are pushed down into these hollers. And so instead of this rugged landscape, you have this big open wound. But if it's reclaimed, it becomes this flattened plain, in some cases 4 and 5 square miles. An incredibly different landscape than the landscape that those of us who grew up here are used to.